YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. Those of you that are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know we could do it. Let's try to hit 700 by the end of this month. But the goal, like I said, to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We're over 600. Thank you guys so much for showing support. The new ones, one more time, just hit that subscribe button for me, please, and turn on that notification bell. And since you're here, you might as well go ahead and hit that thumbs up button right there. Like the video. Helps with the algorithms, helps it get shown to new video or new people, and potentially bring new people to the channel. Now, you guys saw the unboxing. You know what it is. Let's get into this review. So, first of all, if you are seeing this video, it means it's after my girlfriend's birthday. Happy birthday. This unboxing and review is actually for her birthday present. And what I got her was these right here. Now, this type of box may look familiar from something that I picked up earlier this year. Nike got me kind of mad right now with how they shipped the box because it looks like someone was chewing on the corner of it. But it is what it is. Let's read the official tag. So we do have an Air Max 90, and the official colorway is white, particle gray, and black. White, particle gray, rose, and black. There we go. Now, and this is a size 10 in women's, so 8.5 in men's. Now, let's open this up and see what we got working here. So, classic Air Max 90 box, just like the old school box when they came out in the year 1990. So we're going to open the box right here. You get your white paper, and the shoes are all squeezed up in there, but it's cool. It is what it is. It's kind of supposed to be like that. Because of the material choices that they're making this year. Now, here we have it. Once again, like I said, it's going to be all squeezed up, but it's cool. That's how it is when you get these. You have your Air Max 90 in the rose colorway or the pink colorway. I actually really like these. The color, the pink that this is in hand. Probably going to end up getting a pair for myself some point down the line before October comes, before breast cancer comes, because right now I only have one shoe that I could wear with pink in it. But, definitely like these. I think she's going to really like them. Extremely comfortable. She's been asking me a lot about Air Maxes, Air Max 90s, Air Max 1s. So far, I think she's settled. The Air Max 90 is her favorite silhouette of Air Maxes, and she has seen pictures of them, and she really liked these. And then we did actually see a picture that came up on Instagram that has some pink laces in them, so I did get her some pink laces if she wants to do a lace swap for them right here, because it does actually look really nice. Actually, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the pinks do match up. It actually is a pretty good match. Got lucky there because obviously there's a bunch of different colors of pink. But here it is, guys. You see your Air Max 90 now. I took these out because you saw me get, obviously the size difference is crazy, but you did see me get my pair of the Volts earlier. Exact same shoe, exact same build. Really, really excited to have these pink ones in hand. Obviously they're not mine, they're for her, but I do think I may end up getting myself a pair some point down the line. Now let's just get into one quick little. Actually, I'm not going to pull the whole thing out, but you can kind of see it right there on the insole. You do get your Air Max 1 outsole, which I think is just one of the dopest touches of the Air Max 90 this year. Now I do want to take out the right shoe, just because you guys know how all the Air Max 90s are coming this year. All of the, I guess, OG form Air Max 90s are coming, and that is they're coming with the hang tag, and they're coming with the hang tag to match the color of the shoe. So here you get the pink hang tag. It's actually really funny how freaking big this hang tag is on this shoe. Like, it's massive. They don't change the size of the hang tag for the size of the shoe, which I don't know why they would, but it's just something you don't think about, right? Because I'm used to my size 12, so I'm used to, where's my hang tag? It's back here somewhere. I'm used to my size 12, so I'm used to seeing a hang tag on that. But even the hang tag for my size 12, as you can see, is the exact same size on hers for this size 8.5. It's crazy. I want to see what it looks like on like a size 4, and just see the hang tag absolutely just dwarf the shoe. But that's something that I think is funny. I, as you can see, don't wear mine with the hang tag. She probably won't either, but it could be a cool little keychain piece. But yeah, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the shoe. Now, once again, I already did technically do this review with these right here. You guys know this is in my top 10. Not just my top 10, but in my top 5 pickups of the year so far. And, whoop, box just fell. But in my top 5 pickups of the year so far. Extremely comfortable with how they made the upper, super soft mesh, super soft. I want to call this almost a felt. It's not a suede, but whatever this material is, super soft, super comfortable. Feels really nice on your foot. And then that nice little touch of black leather around there. You do get your pink hit in that mud guard. Obviously, you got your pink airbag unit, or the clear airbag unit with the pink, I don't even know what they call this, but the pink midsole panel around it, full white midsole. Outsole, you got the black with your hits of pink. Again, you got your pink on the eyelets down by the bottom of the laces. The light is going crazy right now, but you got your pink on the eyelets down by the bottom of the laces as well. Black up top, darker gray on the swoosh. Really, really dope shoe. Pink Nike Air on that license plate. Once again, really dope shoe. Excited to have him in hand. So excited to give him to her. Once again, you won't be seeing this video until after her birthday, which is July 13th. Today is July 6th when I'm filming this video. I've actually had these just sitting in my room for a while now, but I did want to get this video done just so I could get it, edit it, and then put it up after she gets her shoes. But here they are, guys. The Air Max 90 Rose, or the pink Air Max 90s of 2020. Really, really great quality. Like I said, for the Volts, one of my best pickups of the year. Off of quality alone. Definitely recommend you getting a pair of these or the Volts. Or they made a bunch of colorways of this exact cut this year. So they made these. Like I said, they made the Volts. There's a purple one that's only women's, which kind of pisses me off because I really like them. There's a royal blue one. There's a turquoise one. There's a mint green one. I think there's a pine green one. There was an orange one that's a little harder to get. They're coming back out with the infrared this year. Endless opportunities to get your hands on a really nice pair of Air Max 90s. Definitely go ahead and get them. But that is it for this video, guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys are new here, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I know we could do it. We're showing great progress right now. Also, hit that like button. Helps the video get shown to new people. It helps with the algorithms, all of that fun stuff. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, like I said, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.